Welcome to TNT and today's topic is solid state. There are two types of solid. One is amorphous, 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 and another one is crystalline. Let's start with the differences. Amorphous solids are irregular. They do not have their geometrical shape. Similarly, isotropic nature. This means their property is same from every angle. Examples are glass, rubber, plastic, etc. Similarly, crystalline solids are regular and isotropic nature, and examples can be diamond, graphite, etc. So now let's discuss some properties of solid state. So let's discuss some properties of solid state like efflorescence, efflorescence. Efflorescence means losing. Water of crystallization, losing water of crystallization to air and convert into powder form. Example can be Na2CO3.10H2. Similarly, the another property is deliquescence. Deliquescence means which absorbs water or moisture from air and dissolves in it. Example can be NaOH, KOH, CaCl2.6H2, NaNO3, etc. Similarly, we'll be talking about let's talk about hygroscopic. These three are the natures of solid. Solid we can also call the properties of solid. Hygroscopic property of solid, which absorbs moisture from air but does not dissolve in it. Example can be ammonium nitrate, sodium chlorate, Cl3.